Hello guys! Another vlog again. Welcome back to our vlog. So for today,
We're gonna do the gender reveal.
yes, we are going to do our gender reveal. Tapos magpe-prepare lang kami some, simple snacks. Kasi apat lang kami. Si Maggie, si Yassi, si Archie, and Mila. Tapos magluluto ako ng Alfredo. Tapos puto na may cheese and walang cheese. Kasi mag-iip sila na gusto.
And this,
Yes, that one is Alfredo. And then,
sinigang.
ano sinigang? Tapos Archie is gonna buy donut. And then, the last thing that I'm gonna cook is leche flan. Yun, our favorite. Yan, so I'm almost done. This is
We're
caramelized.
all hoping it. Let me say something.
Okay.
We're all hoping it's gonna be a boy.
You are team boy or girl, Yassi?
Boy.
Boy, how about you, Maggie?
Um,
What?
I think it's gonna be a girl because
Louder, I can't hear you.
a girl because there's
Your team girl?
Yes, I'm team girl because I think it's a girl because there's always lesser chance to have a baby boy.
Why?
If you look at my class, there's like 5 boys, and then also if you go to boys, there's always fewer boys.
In your class?
No, every time if I look in the kindergarten, fewer boys than girls.
Okay, so let's see later.
No, I'm thinking it's a boy because we have 3 girls and 1 boy. And if there were one more girl, it would be 4 girls and 1 boy. If there was a boy, it would be 2 boys and 3 girls. Because we have too much girls.
Yes. So it's
What
past.
are you thinking?
I'm not sure.
Because you
Let's
don't wear
see.
pink and blue.
Yes. So maybe dito lang kami sa bakuran namin. Dito lang sa bahay
We're
kasi
thinking about it.
sa park we cannot do anything. We cannot do the poppers in the park. So I don't know. So it's already 4:26 and this is our gender reveal. Popper, Alfredo. Yeah. You ready, baby?
Yes.
Hello.
I'm going to
Maggie, are you ready? Ready? Yes, let's go. Let's go outside. You ready? Dito, Maggie. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Are you ready?
Yes, it. Saboy, isa girl.
It's a baby. Di mo na paputok. Oo. Ang sama
other
mo
way.
niya. Maggie. Ajay!
Can I see?
You want to be helped kasi eh.
Saboy, I'm happy. Saboy. Saboy.
It's a baby boy! Sa wakas, there's a baby boy. Are you happy? Are you happy, Maggie? Baby boy din. Lahat kami, team boy. Kasi may dalawa na kaming girls. Ay, patapon mo na yan, Maggie. Saya ka? Asawa mo, saya ka?
Oo, kahit babae, pwede na.
Siyempre lalaki, kaya ganyan sinasabi mo. Sige.
Hindi ganyan, no? Ganyan, no? Alam mo.
The grass is blue.
Wala na, pinasingaw mo eh.
Wala, si Ryan?
Work, it's broken.
Congratulations, it's baby boy.